Breaking news: XRP holders could be facing a critical moment. If you've invested in XRP, you must watch this video to understand the potential risks and what you can do to protect your portfolio. Let's dive deep into the facts, the dangers, and the future of XRP. XRP has long been a beacon of hope for the crypto community, designed to transform global finance with its speed, low fees, and integration into international banking. Millions have invested in its vision. But in the fast-moving crypto space, no coin is without challenges. And right now, XRP is at a crossroads. From its early days as a pioneer in blockchain payments to its ongoing legal battles, XRP has faced incredible highs and devastating lows. But today, we're focusing on three key issues that every holder needs to know about: legal challenges, market instability, and community impact. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit has been one of the biggest stories in crypto. The SEC accuses Ripple of selling unregistered securities, putting XRP's very status as a cryptocurrency into question. While Ripple has won some critical victories, the fight is far from over. Here's where we stand today. Ripple secured a partial win when the court ruled that programmatic sales of XRP are not securities. However, the SEC is appealing parts of the decision, and Ripple isn't entirely out of the woods. The outcome of this case could determine whether XRP will remain listed on major exchanges in the US. If regulators crack down harder, delistings and trading restrictions could follow, directly impacting XRP's value and liquidity. Then there's the market itself. XRP has seen wild price swings in recent months, fueled by legal updates and broader market trends. But is it a storm brewing? Crypto analysts are sounding the alarm. Here are three things to watch. Price corrections. XRP recently saw a surge after positive legal news, but analysts warn this rally may not last. Market sentiment, fear, uncertainty, and doubt are driving many investors to sell, creating downward pressure. Whale movements. Large holders, or whales, have been making significant transactions. Are they preparing for a dump? If you're holding XRP, it's critical to monitor these factors closely. One sudden move in the market could drastically affect your portfolio. So, what does all of this mean for you, the XRP holder? Should you hold on, sell, or even buy more? First, let's talk about risk. Every investment carries risk, but the uncertainty around XRP is on another level. Regulatory decisions and market sentiment will play a massive role in the coming months. On the flip side, XRP's underlying technology remains strong. Ripple's partnerships with banks and payment providers are still growing. If the legal hurdles are cleared, XRP could emerge stronger than ever. But that's a big if. Here's what you can do right now to protect your investment. Stay updated, follow reliable sources for news about the RippleSec case and broader crypto regulations. Diversify, don't rely solely on XRP. A balanced portfolio minimizes risk. Set alerts, use tools to track XRP price movements and whale activity. Secure your assets, consider moving your XRP to a private wallet if you're worried about exchange delistings. Have an exit plan, decide in advance at what price you'd sell or whether you'll hold long-term regardless of volatility. Remember, it's not about reacting to fear, it's about making informed decisions. Your financial future depends on your ability to stay calm and think strategically. Despite the challenges, the vision behind XRP remains unchanged: a world where cross-border payments are faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Whether or not XRP overcomes its current hurdles, the future of blockchain innovation is bright. We want to hear from you. Are you still holding XRP, or are you rethinking your strategy? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe for daily crypto updates, and share this video with every XRP investor you know. Knowledge is power, and we're here to keep you informed every step of the way. This is your trusted source for crypto news and insights. Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ahead. See you soon.